Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. For today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I do my eyeliner, and I know a lot of people struggle doing their winged liner. At the end of the day, you guys, it's just makeup. It comes right off. You guys have to be in control of the makeup. The makeup does not control you. I feel like when it comes to winged liner, it's all about control. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some tips and little hacks that work for me when I started doing my eyeliner. Let me just tell you, if you want to get really good at your eyeliner, I suggest to take some time, sit yourself down, look at yourself in the mirror, and practice, you guys. Practice is key to anything in life. So if you want to achieve winged liner like this, practice, concentrate, focus on what you're doing, because you got this. I believe in you. And yeah, you guys, so if you want to see how I do my own eyeliner, then go ahead and keep watching. This is the eyeliner that I'm going to be using for today. It's one of my favorite ones. I really like that this one has a fine and thin tip. I recommend, if you guys are beginners, to begin with something like this versus a really thick end. There are different ways to do your eyeliner, but for me personally, I like to make sure I connect to the end of my brow like this. Now I kind of have an idea of where the wing is gonna go, so it's gonna be going up like this instead of to the side, or maybe even like more like that. I know some people, when they start out, they really don't know where to do the line, so this is a good hack if you guys want to try it out this way. To have a little bit more control over your wing, I would suggest you guys to put your wrist and your hand by your face. It's kind of like when you write, you wouldn't put your hand or your wrist away from the paper. Do you guys know what I mean? Okay, for this step, I'm gonna be holding my breath. I'm not even gonna breathe. I'm gonna make sure to concentrate, to pray everything above. Lord Jesus, help me. I'm gonna be doing my wing. Okay, you guys seen that it wasn't perfect. This is just a little sketch, so it's not the final result. Right now, I am putting a dot in the middle of my eyelid, and I'm gonna connect that to the end of the wing. So pray right now for me, you guys. I'm gonna attempt to do that. So okay, so like I said, it's never gonna be perfect the first time you try it, but that's kind of how I do it. And then I make little changes. So right here, I'm just gonna drag it out a little bit. You see that? We're gonna fix all of that, so do not worry. Then I'm just gonna fill this up. Okay, so I'm not gonna worry about that. I will fix it, you guys, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix it. So then what I do is I look down and I'm looking at my mirror. Then I start right here and connect. Also, this eyeliner dries pretty quickly, so you have to work quickly. If not, you can keep going back to dip it. Okay, so that wing is done. Pretty much that's how I do it, you guys. Now I'm gonna show you how I clean it up. I'm gonna fill in a little bit more, and I'll do that for you guys. Okay, so pretty much this is the wing, you guys. I went ahead and I filled empty spaces, and I added a little bit more product down here to even it out. Now you guys see up here, I kind of messed up a little bit, but I'm gonna go in with this brush. What I like to do is take a wet wipe like this and kind of wet my brush a little bit. It has to be a brush like this, you guys. So if you guys don't have a brush like this, I also would do it sometimes with my nails, but I'm not wearing any right now. So what I'm doing is just cleaning up the edges like so. Since I did wet my brush a little bit, you guys, it does work a little bit better with winged liner. I have not tried it with any other type of product, not gel liner or anything like that. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the edge and clean it up. You guys see that? I hope you saw that. Then I kind of go into the actual product, so like right here, and just scoop it out. So obviously we're not gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna go back in with more eyeliner, but I'm just bringing out the product. It's kind of like working with watercolors. That's what I think of this as. So then I'm gonna take my eyeliner and just fill it up. Fuck, that was too much. So right here, you guys, you've seen that I added way too much of the product. So what I'm gonna do, instead of dragging it out that way, I'm gonna drag it back into this area and just get rid of a little bit of that product and drag it out some more. I didn't even let you guys in onto this look. It looks a little crazy, but this is just kind of what I do when I'm doing a wet hair look or a wavy look, something like that. So I'm gonna do my other eye and then show you guys what my hair looks like afterwards. But yeah, you guys, so if you want to see how I do this, let me know, because I'll be down to make a video. Okay, you guys, so this is the look. As you guys can see, the lashes make a huge difference. If you guys don't want to wear lashes, I suggest just curling them. It will help out a lot. It's so cute, you guys. I love when my eyeliner is popping like this. Right now, I'm just going to be taking these off and show you guys the whole completed look. So this is the completed look, you guys. I hope that this video was helpful and it makes your eyeliner game a little bit easier. For the next video, I'm probably gonna do an everyday makeup routine. That way you guys know all of the products that I've been using and the new techniques that I've learned. So if you're down for that video, like, comment, and subscribe so that way I know to keep coming back with more videos, you guys. So thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.